VR? Okay. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what's going on? Wait, what just happened? Wait, what just happened? Wait, most of my radios just went up for an unrecognized message? What? That makes no sense at all. Whoa, what the heck? Wait, my radio just bugged out for some reason. What? Most of them literally went off on a recognized message. What? What the heck? That is so unexplainable, dude. That makes no total sense, bro. That makes no sense at all, bro. What the heck? That doesn't make any sense. Indoors immediately. Here's the forecast. Remember, New York City. Severe thunderstorm at 670 p.m. this evening.
Okay, that's weird.